Hello everybody, welcome to section 1 in video 1. In this video tutorial I will be letting you know about domain name and the web hosting. Basically the web hosting is that space where all of your website files are saved on the internet, that is also called www, where you have to take some space or some disk space for your website, which is actually on the web server. I mean on different services and different data centers in the United States, in Germany, and other countries. So from any web hosting provider you can take your hosting for your website and also a domain name. I will open my browser. Here I will just write something like www.example.com. This is basically your domain name, and the example.com is your domain name, and every domain name is different than others. Every domain name is basically unique name. So this is just your identity, where when people will be accessing your website through your unique address, because there cannot be two domain names with the same address. So therefore you have to choose a domain name which is available for you. You can search using any web hosting provider, for example GoDaddy or HostGator or Bluehost. These are famous service providers for web hostings. So here you can check whatever domain name you need at GoDaddy.com, or you can also go to HostGator.com. HostGator, write that in Google and you will see the HostGator.com website. If you need a web hosting and a domain name, so you can just visit these websites and search for a domain name and or for website. Here are the plans. You can choose any plan you want, and for example I want to say Wali123. This is my name and I want to create a website, wali123.com. so I will search for this domain name, and if this is available, it is saying congratulations, your name is available, and you can just add it to your account, or you can just purchase it. So after my domain name is available, I can take hosting as well. So after you have taken you have purchased web hosting and domain name, then you are provided a web host a hosting server or a hosting account, you can say, and all the details are sent to your email address which you have provided during the creating an account or during purchasing web hosting from any of the web service provider. So you are given a password and a username to access your cPanel. cPanel is basically called control panel for your website, from where you can control your website and from when you can install any script or you can upload your website. So basically you have I have purchased a website in which address is equal rights for all. This is in front of you. This is just a dummy an example site I have uploaded. equalrightsall.org. This is the domain name of this website, and the website, the simple HTML website is on it. But if you buy a hosting and domain name for the first time, you will see nothing over here. There will be just index of a text like index of, and there will be nothing else. After that you have purchased domain name and web hosting. You are provided, as I already said, that you are provided all the details for your cPanel, for your control panel, and that control panel you can access by just writing your domain name, and after .com or .org or .net or whatsoever extension your domain has, after that you can just write backslash and then write cPanel. So when you write cPanel and enter, so you will be going to your cPanel. So here you can use your username and your password to log in and to access your cPanel, from where you can manage all of your files, all the tools that you are provided by your web hosting server, your web hosting company. So I will write the username, as well as I will paste the password which I have already copied. So I will click just login, and after that I will be redirected to my cPanel. This is basically cPanel. So actually we are learning WordPress. So now I will be coming to the point that from using this cPanel we can install or WordPress installation, or WordPress software you can say, or something like that. We can use two methods to install WordPress on cPanel. The one is installing it automatically using tools, and the second method is installing it manually by ourselves. We will use both the methods. I will show you how you can install automatically and how you can install it manually. So for this video I was just letting you know that what is domain name, how you can purchase domain name and web hosting, and what you will be provided by the hosting provider. And after that, when you have come here to your cPanel, then everything is very easy for you. So in next video I will be telling you how we can install WordPress. Stay tuned.